Hello and welcome to another video. Today we'll be looking at a strategy you can use to trade boom and crash. Strategy you can use to trade boom and crash is what we'll be looking at today. On the screen I have boom 1000 index 5-minute time frame, and I have four windows. I have the indicator window one. This is the main window. This is my main window. This is indicator window 1. This is indicator window 2. This is indicator window 2. Alright. Then I have one more window. Indicator window 3. Alright. Now the way this strategy works is, let's look at the settings on the main window. We have fractals. I like to put fractals on my chart to identify point of price rejection. Okay, to outline my support and resistance area. And I have some moving averages. The first one, I have 13 period linear weight moving average. Apply to close. The color is purple. And I have 14 period linear weight moving average. Apply to close. The color is orange. And the third one, I have 12 period linear weight moving average. Apply to close. The color is black. And the fourth one, I have 50 period simple moving average. Apply to close. Color is purple. And the last one, I have 200 period simple moving average. Apply to close. Color is orange. Now if we go to the main chart, the way the strategy works is, if we scroll to where we have at this particular point, right, we have crossover happening around here, okay, where price spikes up above all moving averages to inform me to buy. Okay, now I will not just buy at that point. I'll wait for when price starts to test the 50 moving average. That is the purple line here. You can see a test. The first test, second test, to show the validity or confirmation of the buy. The crossover happened there, where the black and the orange line cross above the orange and purple lines. The purple line is a 200 moving average, telling us now that trend has changed to bullish, as we have crossover 200, which is the orange line. It's now telling us we are in a bullish trend. This is my 200 moving average. Now I have every other thing above it. Means we are in a bullish trend. But if all the price and all the other moving average cross down below the 200, then we will be in a bearish trend. We are on the 5-minute time frame. So in as much as I have a test and spike, test, spike, can confidently enter a buy trade. Same thing goes for sell trade. When we have cross down, when we have price crossing down, can sell. But it's not advisable to sell boom 1000 because spike can drag you into loss. Okay, because you cannot afford to have a losing trade when you are trading against the spike. All right, so it's better to trade in line with the spike. Wait for when price will build above all the moving averages, and wait for a test and retests on the 50 moving average. And you can enter your buy trade. You can see entered my buy trade around here, and price still going up. Okay, so that's that for the main chart. So don't forget, for boom 1000, boom 500, ensure you have a development of spike above all moving averages like you have around here. Then wait for a test. If you have a confirmed test on the 50 moving average, which is the purple line, can now buy. Is another test of the 50 moving average. Can buy anytime and ride with a trend. Okay, now for indicator window 1, this indicator window 1, where we have ADX. Let's look at the settings. This is settings. The period is 14, average directional movement index, and the style color is red. Now we have levels. We have 26, 25. Color of the level is black. Okay, so in as much as we have the red line, ADX line, staying above the two levels, the 25, 26, that means you can buy. All right, we're on the 5-minute time frame. Like I said, anywhere you have it, like it's mostly above, but when it goes below, when it stays below the 25, 26 level, then you stay out, because you may have range at that point. So you only buy as long as the red line, the ADX line, is above the 25, 26 level. That's for indicator window 1. And for boom index, whether boom 1000 or boom 500, you only buy. So for crash index, whether crash 500 or crash 1000, you still wait for the red line to cross above the ADX level 25, 26. As long as the ADX red line is above the 25, 26 level, you can sell crash, or you can buy boom in line with spike. You can see price is still spiking, still going up. All right, so let's look at indicator window 2. This indicator window 2, let's look at how it works. Let's look at the settings. For indicator window 2, we have 2 indicators. We have stochastic oscillator and we have MACD. For the stochastic oscillator parameters, we have the percentage K period to be 20, percentage D period to be 3, the slow in to be 3, price field to be close on close. Method is simple. The main star color is green and the signal star color is red. Now for the levels of the stochastic, we have 95 and 5. The color is black. Then we have MACD. Fast EMA is 20. Slow EMA is 26. MACD SMA is 9. Apply to close. The main star color will match the background color of the chart, and the signal star color is blue. So let's look at how it works. Now, how indicator window 2 works is when the green and red line, when it gets to the 5 level, okay, when it comes down to 5 level and rises up above the blue line like you have around here, that's your signal to buy. Okay, it's another signal. It comes to the 5 stochastic level 5 and then crosses the blue line. Okay, I have around here. signal to buy. Also, it also tests the blue line and bounces like you have around here, signal to buy. Okay, and if it now stays above, like you have it staying above the 95 level, that means oversold. But for this oversold instance, it still continues to buy, as you can see. Though it is oversold, but price continues to tick high. So the reverse is the case for when you are trading crash 1,500. Instead of you now having price the indicators getting to the 5 level, it will get to the 95 level. As it gets to the 95 level and cross down the blue, you sell for crash 1,000 or crash 500. So it comes and touches the blue and crosses the blue, you sell. But for boom 1,000 or boom 500, you buy when it gets to the 5 level of the stochastic and crosses up, cross the blue, you buy. Of course, by the time it gets to this area, you'll have the spikes will have started, so you just ride along with the spike. So that's that for indicator window 2. Let's look at how you can use indicator window 3, which is the final indicator window. Let's look at the settings. Okay, you have MACD. The fast EMA is 12. Slow EMA is 26. MACD SMA is 9. Apply to close. The color of the main and signal star will match the background color. Okay, then the moving average, you have 1 period. Shift is 0. Method is linear weight. Apply to first indicator's data. Color is red. Then you have Bollinger Bands. The first one is 51 period. Deviation is 2.082. Shift is 0. Apply to first indicator's data. Color is black. Now the second Bollinger Band is 51. Still 51 period. But this time around the deviation is 1.582. Shift is 0. Apply to first indicator's data. And the color is blue. Then the third Bollinger Band parameters, you have 51 period. They are all 51 period Bollinger Bands, but the deviation differs. For this deviation, this particular parameter, the deviation is 1.482 and the shift is 0. Apply to first indicator's data, and this time around the color is purple. And the last Bollinger Band is still 51 period, but this time around the deviation is 1.382. The shift is 0. Apply to first indicator's data, and the color is green. Now let's look at how this works. Okay, for indicator window 3, when the red line, when it dips below, like you have a dip below here, okay, stay action, since we are trading boom index. But if it dips below for crash index, you sell. But now when it gets below and now crosses above, like you have around here, you get ready to buy. It's a buy signal. Confirmation is when now crosses the mid band, like you have around here. Confirmation to buy. Then buy continuation when it crosses above the upper Bollinger Bands. Alright, so that's it for crash index. To be the reverse is the reverse will be the case. So for crash index, when it crosses above and now crosses below the 3 Bollinger Bands, outer band, upper band here, cross down, signal to sell. If it now crosses the mid band, sell confirmation. If it now crosses below the lower band for crash index, sell continuation. So that's basically how this strategy works. It's a new strategy. Make sure you backtest it. Try it out on demo accounts. Don't try a new strategy on live accounts so that you don't lose your money. Make sure you understand it while practicing on demo account. It is very, very important. Also check the strategy with what has happened in history and try to backtest. But the most important thing is for you to try it on demo accounts so that you get the grip. As long as you get the grip, you can go live. Okay, that's that for the strategy. Let's look at the settings one more time. We have fractals. Okay, we have moving averages 1, 2, 3, 5 moving averages for the main window. The first one is 13 linear weight applied to close, purple. Second one is 14 linear weight close applied to close, orange. Third one is 12 linear weights applied to close, black. And fourth one is 50 simple moving average applied to close, purple. And fifth one is 200 simple moving average applied to close, orange. So those are the indicators on the main window. Then on the indicator window one, we have average directional movement index. The period is 14. The style color is red. And the levels, we have 25, then 26. Color is black. So that's for indicator window 1. For indicator window 2, we have stochastic oscillator and MACD. For the stochastic oscillator, the parameters are percentage K period is 20, percentage D period is 3, slowing is 3, price field close on close, method is simple. Now the main style color is green, signal style color is red, and the levels you have 95 and 5. Color is black. For 95, that's where you have your overbought. For the 5, that's where you have the oversold area. Right? So that's that for the stochastic. For the MACD, we have fast EMA to be 20, slow EMA to be 26, MACD SMA to be 9, apply to close. The main star color is expected to match the background color of your chart, and the signal star color is blue. Now for the last indicator window, which is indicator window 3, the indicators are MACD, the fast EMA is 12, the slow EMA is 26, MACD SMA is 9, apply to close. Now the color of the main and signal star will match the background color. Then we have moving average, 1 period moving average, linear weight, apply to first indicator's data. Color is red. Then we have 4 Bollinger Bands indicators. The first Bollinger Band is a 51 period Bollinger Band. The deviation is 2.082. It's applied to first indicator's data, and the color is black. And the second Bollinger Band on indicator window 3 is also a 51 period Bollinger Band. The deviation is 1.582. Applied to first indicator's data, but this time around the color is blue. Then the third Bollinger Band indicator parameters are, the period is still 51, but the deviation is 1.482. Applied to first indicator's data, and the color is purple. While the last Bollinger Band, the period is still 51, but this time around the deviation is 1.382. Applied to first indicator's data, and the color is green. So that's that for the indicators. As you can see on the screen, I bought Okay, and I'm expecting price to test. Price may either test here or test the 50 moving average. But if it breaks below the 50 moving average and also breaks below the 200 moving average, then we have a trend change. All right, and if you are having a trade in profit, it's advisable you place stop loss somewhere around here to protect your trade and your account, so that even if price hit the stop loss, you close the trade in some profit, don't be in loss. All right, so that's that for the strategy. um Please subscribe to our channel, click the subscription button so that you get to see our videos. Also make comment below the video, ask questions if you have any if you need any video, if you need a video on any topic when it comes to trading forex or volatility index, you can state it below the video, below this video or any of our videos. Try as much as possible to produce that video for you. Okay, so you can as well like our videos, click the like button, click like button for our videos. Also click the bell button below the video for notification, so that when we publish the next video, it will be on your notification dashboard. We also have a website. Our website is www.binfxtrader.com. You can also visit our second website, which is fxfables.com. On our website, we have articles on how to trade forex and volatility index. Okay, so that's that for this video. Till I come your way next time, is bye for now.